Hello everyone. This video class we are going to learn the chemistry first chapter. Its name is called matter in our surrounding. So matter means what we want to learn it first, isn't it? We are when we are standing outside our surrounding, so many things is made. Things our surrounding, whatever things we observing, these all things we can say it is one types of matter. It is all are made by the atoms, and how it's going on, these chapters inside we learn. When examples we want to, when we went to any medical shops, we want to see the how the arranging different medicines in a particular column inside, that like matters in our surrounding also different types of matters we can identify. The definition of the matters this like is made, the our surrounding any one objects we can call it object, otherwise a matter. And matters inside we can say there is earlier whatever the previous philosophers is told waters, how is earth is made, otherwise panch mahabhuta we can say. Our body is made by this human body is made by this panch mahabhuta. That is examples we can say. There is water, sky, and agni, this like air. This all things is very important, and these all things also is made by the matters. Means matter definition we are this like we told, our surrounding any one object is made, it is made by the we can call it is matters. So matters inside whatever the physical structure of the matter is there, that we want to know. Physical structure means what? That is necessary for us. Physical structure means what? Whenever the way matters we can observe, that matters we externally what things we observing. There is a color is there, their body shape is there, their weight is there, and their volumes is there. This all things is considered by the physical in a nature inside. And the physical in a nature inside we want to activity number 1.1 we want to know. This activity inside. This activity inside what things is necessary is there, I will okay. This activity number 1.1 inside we want to learn it. The matter, one matter inside, whether one materials or another materials, how is adjusting each other. Matter inside, how the space is there, we want to identify this activity inside. So this activity purpose of whatever the materials requirement is there, our activity, this activity aim is what, how the matters inside space is there, that we want to identify. And this activity purpose, what the materials is necessary is there, I will tell you. There is an example, what one beaker is necessary is there, sodium chloride also necessary is there for us, and water. This like materials is necessary is our activity purpose, and what the process is there, that we want to identify the activity. So this is one beaker is there. This beaker inside we added in 50 ml of water. How much ml of water we added? 50 ml of water we added in the beaker inside. Afterwards, water is already we are knowing. It is what is in any shape, any types of shape water will take. When we beaker inside we add the beaker shape will take. Otherwise, any plates inside we add plate like shape will take. That we later we are going to know. This activity inside one beaker we took, and that beaker inside one materials we add. That is name we can call it water. And after some times what we took, 1 spoon of sodium chloride, means salt, common name we can call it salt, and this is common salts we add in some amount of the sodium chloride salt we add this 50 ml of water. So by help of the glass rod, with this solution is continuously 1 or 2 minutes we want to continue stirred. Afterwards we can observe, we added sodium chloride in water. After 2 and 3 minutes by help of the spoon, otherwise by help of the glass rods, we continue stirring of this solution. Afterwards we observe means salt is totally dissolving in water. Dissolving means water. There inside how the one material is adjusting to another material. Suppose here salt we add, salt plus we can another is a solid material. One stones we add means one this is cannot mix it in water. So this activity inside what is some materials in is ready to another materials want to mix with it. When the water inside we add the sodium chlorides, there sodium chloride is add afterwards. What will happen? Sometimes afterwards sodium chloride otherwise salt totally dissolving mixing with water, it's we called dissolving with water also we can say, otherwise mixing with water. Means what we understanding this activity means the matter physical status inside, physical status inside means nature of physical means one of materials is there, that materials external observation is going on, that we can say the physical in nature inside. When the water 150 ml of water inside we added 1 spoon of the sodium chlorides, after some times what will happen, this sodium chloride is mixing in water. Means what the activity is saying to our conclusions means one matter, otherwise one matter inside another matter inside water, some space is available, that purpose one material is mixing otherwise adjusting with another materials. Means this all things inside we learning the first property of the materials, that is matters inside have the space. This we can say this activity number 1.1 inside. Let us we want to know the activity number 1.2. Okay, though we are going to activity number 1.2. Listen, 1.1 way inside what we learn matters inside what else one space is there, and that purpose one matter is adjusting to another matters. So activity number 1.2 inside we want to learn it, how the matter are made in small particles. We want this activity we want to identify means we necessary some materials. First I will tell the aim of this activity. This activity aim is what is there, how the matters are made it in small particles, that we want to learn it this activity. So this activity purpose we need 5 beakers and one small tube, otherwise what boiling tubes also we can say, and it is each beaker inside we want to first we want to take the all beakers, label it 1 2 3, otherwise ABC AD numbers you want to give it, and fix it in where in test tube rack inside. First we want to identify by help of these spoons, one beaker inside. First we add in a 10 ml of water. How many ml of water? It is a 10 ml of water, and then afterwards we want to add some crystal of potassium permanganated. That formula I wrote here, KMnO4 we can say, potassium permanganated. Some crystals we took by the spoons and added in a test tube A. When we added a test tube A inside, the potassium permanganated and water inside water, one reaction will form, and potassium permanganated crystals is totally they dissolving in these waters by help of the glass rods, otherwise any spoons we can shake this solution properly, and potassium permanganated crystals totally want to dissolve in that particular beaker inside. Then here is what will happen, one pink colors means dark pink colors color will form, and when the dark pink colors form, there inside what you wanted 10 ml of the, again by help of the small boiling tubes, take it again of 5 to 10 ml solutions, again you add the beaker number second. Suppose here already the 5 ml water we want to is there, again you 5 ml of the KMM solutions, means the potassium permanganated KMnO4 solution, again you want to add it second beaker inside. Here inside also again what will happen, water and potassium permanent solution is added. This like this activity, each beaker after this beakers, again you want to take the 5 ml, again you add here 5 ml, again here you want to take the 5 ml. So again you want to add this beakers also you want to take the 5 ml. So each beaker inside what will happen, the 5 ml again you adding 5 ml of the water, so you adding the each beaker inside the solutions. Compare it first test tube solution to and last test tube solution. What is the difference you observing? You first test tube inside very dark is there, means solution is what we want to concentrated solution we can say, otherwise here inside water complete dark of the potassium permanent solution you observing. Then afterwards we are going to second test tube number B. Comparing to test tube A and B, inside a lot of the difference you observing. Lot of means there inside water very dark is there, but here comparing to A little dark is there. Comparing B to C again little dark is there. Again C to D we comparing again little dark is there. And comparing to D and E, inside E is totally what we light colors we can observe, means each solution, each test tube inside something we different results we observed. Why? Because there inside when comparing to first test tubes, one time or first when we took the one test tube inside water, their water is colorless is there. When we added the potassium permanent crystals, water pink colors is forming, and that pink colors afterwards when we last beakers we took, that last beaker means the first beaker inside how the colorless water is there, that like colorless water want to form, means again 3 and 4 test tubes we want to add it, means one stage will come this like again colorless water how is there, that like solution we will take it. Why this activity is what the saying us, because matter is made of the smallest particles. Whenever the each beakers you changing little bit change you observing, and this little bit changes is what the saying to us, what the conclusion of this matters, that was second property, otherwise second characteristics you can say, the matters are made in small particles. So this video class inside we are going to learn this much only. Again two properties is there, two characteristics of matters is there, that we want to go it learn in the next class inside. Thank you one and all.